Don't know where to find a ghost? Check in our school! There's a new girl in class, but she seems a little strange. She brought a broom to school with her, and she doesn't want to talk to anyone. It's like there's something magical about her. And all her things are really interesting. Is that a pumpkin pencil case? Wow! Cut circles out of orange felt. Glue 3 circles together to make a pumpkin shape. Make 2 pieces like that. Glue in a zipper. Connect the 2 sides. Hot glue the walls. Attach jack-o'-lantern pieces made out of black foam paper. Add shadows and dimensions using a crayon. Hey, guys! Give me my pumpkin back! That's my pencil case! Hey! Why aren't they listening to me? That's it! My magical patience has run out! Halloween is here! Wahahaha! Oh no! What happened? Cindy turned into a ghost. Alex got mummified. And what happened to Miss Smith? Now she's Miss Maleficent! These horns really bring out your eyes. You shouldn't have messed with a witch. The mummy doesn't feel so good. And his ghostly neighbor's pencils keep flying away. Thank goodness that the school supplies transformed along with their owners. This is the ghost of a pencil sharpener. Roll white clay out in a thin layer. Hang the clay piece on a foil base. Make a ghost shape. Bake it according to the package instructions. Glue a pencil sharpener inside. Draw eyes and a mouth for the ghost using a permanent marker. The ghost of a student shouldn't sit at the desk. I'll leave the ghost of a sharpener instead. A scary story begins. The ghost wants to scare Miss Maleficent. You are messing with the wrong villain, beastie! Miss Maleficent will use her scepter to make the whole class behave. Hot glue a branch to a pen. Glue a small green sphere to the end of the branch. Cover the whole thing with drips of hot glue. Make it look like an old tree. Color it with acrylic paint. And secure the design with clear nail polish. Ghosts, have a seat. Mummy, calm down. Everybody write today's assignment in your notebooks. Miss Maleficent and her magic pen tamed all the evil spirits. It turns out that the mummy doesn't even have a notebook. What should he do? Write on his bandages? Actually, that's not a bad idea. Make a vertical cut along the side of a small jar. Attach a googly eye and cover the jar with strips of white foam paper, leaving the cut alone. Make it look like a mummy's head. Cover the outside of the lid with white foam paper. Attach part of a hot glue stick to the inside of the lid. Put a roll of paper inside the jar. Tone the foam paper to make the mummy look ancient. Pull paper out through the cut. Here's a mini mummy. Ooh, this'll come in handy. I can take notes on ancient papyrus. This little witch has a whole box of pet bats. They help her write down magic spells and curses. Melt crayons in a microwave. Pour them into silicone bat-shaped molds. Put them in the fridge to harden. Collect a box of the bat crayons. It's a bat infestation! Ew! Get your wings away from me! Someone released a whole flock of bats in the classroom. Only the new girl could do something like this. Hey, don't look at me! This ghost loves pranking Miss Maleficent a little bit. There used to be a globe here. But, hold on, where did my globe go? And my notebook disappeared too! Are there poltergeists stealing our stuff? Calm down, Miss Maleficent. I'll give you a new notebook even better than the first. Make Maleficent's horns and wings out of felt and glue them to a notebook with a black cover. Decorate the wings with black feathers. Add details with gold acrylic paint. Sign the notebook. Whoa! This notebook is perfect! Plus, it comes with anti-theft charms. If someone tries to steal it, it'll come right back to Maleficent anyway. You hear that, ghost? This mummy isn't looking so hot. Check out your bandages. No self-respecting mummy would be caught dead looking like that in school. We need to give you a makeover and stick your bandages back on. Hot glue? Tape? A stapler? No, I have a special mummified glue keychain. Color a glue stick with acrylic paint. Wrap it in a bandage. Make a mummy. Attach arms and legs made out of tinfoil and wrapped in bandages. Attach a keychain ring to the cap. This teeny mummy will glue your bandages back on. There we go! Now I finally look like a respectable mummy again. Miss Maleficent needs to fix her makeup. I think I have lipstick in my purse. No, that's not it. Still no. Ugh, this is all trash. I can't find anything in here. But the little witch will help her favorite teacher. Here's a clear backpack that'll be perfect for Maleficent. Poke an opening in a paper cup. Twist the end of a wire and insert it into the cup. Bend the wire to make a horn shape. Wrap it in tinfoil to thicken it. Then cover the horn with tape and black electrical tape. Trim the white edge of the cup and glue the horn onto a felt base. Then glue 2 horns onto the top of a backpack. Use fabric glue. What an amazing backpack! And here's your red lipstick. This backpack will keep Miss Maleficent looking fierce. I'm going to go get my wings back. The little witch wants to make up with her classmates. Hey, guys! Look inside my school supply cauldron! Cut some chopsticks, leaving only the base. Glue the chopsticks to the bottom of a sugar bowl. They'll be the legs of the cauldron. Attach a circle of rolled up tinfoil on top. Cover it with dark acrylic paint. Glue on metal pieces. Tone them with a mostly dry brush with bronze acrylic paint. Paint green slime inside. Insert a dark pen. Thanks for the pens! We'll be so happy to use. Oof! What's all this goo? Frog jelly? This is some dark magic! This is slime made out of my old classmates! You prankster! Slime is always fun! The ghost wants to turn into a really scary poltergeist. Hey! Where are you flying? She has a special ghostly eraser hidden in her cabinet. Trace a ghost template on an eraser. Cut it out using a utility knife. Draw the eyes with a permanent marker. I can just erase myself using it. Now I'm a real poltergeist! Woo! Did you like our Halloween school supplies? Then comment below which school supplies you liked best. Witchy, ghostly, mummy, or Maleficent? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any new school ideas from Troom.